In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads video. Crafting the perfect video ad for your business can seem like a daunting task, but with Google Ads' user-friendly interface and tools, it's both accessible and very doable. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to bring your video campaign to life. First things first, we need to navigate our way to the Google Ads homepage. This is where all the magic starts. If you've already set up your account, you'll be greeted with various options. However, our focus today is specifically on creating a compelling video ad, so we'll need to locate the right tools within the platform. After landing on the Google Ads homepage, take a moment to look towards the top of your screen. You'll find a series of options and icons. Your next step is to locate the Tools option. It's easy to overlook, but taking your time here is crucial. Go ahead and hover over Tools to reveal a drop-down menu filled with more options than you knew existed. Within this drop-down, we seek the Shared Library. This area of Google Ads holds various resources and tools that are essential for advanced advertising strategies, including the creation of video ads. Clicking on Shared Library will take you to another layer of options related to assets and resources. As you're navigating within the Shared Library, keep an eye out for Asset Library. This is where Google Ads allows you to manage and create different types of ad content. Not just video, but for our purposes today, video is the star of the show. Click on Asset Library to proceed. Upon entering the Asset Library, you'll be greeted with various asset types that you can create. But we're here for one thing, to create a video ad that captivates and converts. Look for the plus icon, often found in the upper corner of the screen, or prominently displayed to invite new creations. Click on this plus icon to start the creation process. Hovering around, you'll notice different options for assets, including images, text, and, yes, videos. It's time to focus on what we came here for. Hover over the video option to bring it to life. It feels like we're getting closer to the exciting part, doesn't it? Now it's time to get our hands dirty. Click on Create Video. This action opens up the vast world of video creation within Google Ads. You're not just creating an ad, you're crafting an experience for your potential customers. This is where creativity meets strategy. Here's where the real fun begins. Google Ads offers you a series of templates to kickstart your video creation process. These templates are designed to cater to various marketing goals and styles. Whether you're announcing a new product, offering a promotion, or simply trying to increase brand awareness, there's a template for that. Select the one that best fits your campaign goals to start personalizing your video. This template will serve as your guide, but the content, that's all up to you. Upload your video footage, play with text overlays, mess around with the timing, and make sure your brand's voice is loud and clear. This process might take a few tries to get right, but the platform is designed for experimentation, allowing you to preview and adjust until everything looks just right. Remember, the best video ads are not just visually appealing, they tell a story that resonates with the viewer, compelling them to take action. Think about your audience, what speaks to them, and how your product or service fits into their lives. Use this as the foundation for your video. And that, dear viewers, is a wrap on how to create a Google Ads video from start to finish. It's a process that combines creativity with strategy, and with Google Ads, you have a powerful platform at your fingertips to bring your vision to life. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from each campaign, and continuously refine your approach based on the data Google Ads provides post-campaign. Creating video ads should be both fun and rewarding, opening up new avenues to connect with your audience and drive your business goals forward. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your ideas transform into compelling video ads that captivate and convert. Happy advertising.